Have you ever wondered some post on the LinkedIn felt so engaging in reading and so insightful that you wonder how they actually write these kind of the stuff here? And the best part, these kind of the posts get so much engagement, like the likes and the comments, and they get so much leads out of just one post. So creating this kind of the post not a rocket science here. Actually they use a AI tool, or they use the some of the platforms that can create these kind of the post for them in just few seconds. Yes, in literally few seconds. And in this video I am going to show you one of that tool that can help you do that, to creating such kind of the insightful post for the LinkedIn. Not only that, you can also create the custom comments or reply the comments using this platform as well. So you can see this is the complete LinkedIn system, or you can use it as the LinkedIn co-pilot that is going to help you whether you want to create the posts that are insightful and can get the engagement or the leads. It can just get you the comments that you can just post on their posts. Then you can also reply with this tool to the others post as well here. So this is the Ligo here, and all you have to just get its account here, and after that it is going to ask you the setup, and here you have to select the automatic setup that is the recommended by its tool as well. And there's also a Chrome extension available that is going to help you as the co-pilot, whether you want to generate the comments, you want to reply the comments, and there are other things as well. You can also use this Chrome extension to mark the lead here. Okay, so if I click here, you can see this is the Ligo, and here you can see the generate comments or add to inspiration. So that extra edge or extra feature you will also get here. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video I am going to show you such a good LinkedIn automation tool that is going to help you as the AI co-pilot and makes your LinkedIn virality or creating such viral posts so much easy that you can't think of here. So without wasting any more time, let me get started here. So first of all, let me talk about Ligo is right now available on the lifetime deal. It's on the app. So starting from the $59, you can access all its features that I'm going to show you right now here. So this is the really good alternative to the buffer, and if I scroll down below, you can read more about this tool and its features. It has the 3-tier plans available, and every tier plan can give you the much more extra credits here. For more understanding, I suggest check out this lifetime deal page here, and don't forget that I have also give the bonuses with every lifetime deal. So make sure you also check out the bonuses that I am giving out absolutely free with this lifetime deal. The link and the bonuses you can find on the description. So let's go to the platform here. So this is the Ligo platform. Once you got its lifetime deal, this is how you are going to set up your account. So it is going to ask you your targeting language. So I have selected the English, and after that it will ask you the automatic setup, or you can go with the manual setup. I suggest go with the automatic setup. It will automatically analyze and going to up to date with your headline, bio, experiences, post, everything it will analyze for you, and after that it will start suggesting you or start generating the post for you. So let me select this automatic setup, click here on the next, and okay, let me click here on the next again. I think there's the thing. Okay, first let me refresh the page. I think I am so much long here. Okay, this setup is starting from the beginning. So I will select the language, click here on the next, and after that it will ask you whether you want to connect with the personal account or the company page. So I will go with the personal account, but if you have the company page, you can also use the Ligo on that one. Then click here on the next step, and here after that select the automatic setup, and now you have to add your username. So this is my username here. I am actually copied my username. Let me see. Yeah, this is the username I have. Now simply click here on the analyze LinkedIn profile, and it will start analyzing everything you have on your LinkedIn profile. It can take some time, around the 20 to 30 seconds, so you have to wait till then this analyzing is going on here. But believe me, once this is done, you are going to be amazed as well as excited, because this is going to give you some of the awesome features and the tools for your LinkedIn. Yeah, so while I am talking about this is done here, and now you can see it is start giving out some of the strategies here. So first of all, the cold email mastery unveiled here. AI plus human intelligence in sale, behind the scenes with growth fins, Yeah, this is stuff I actually post on my LinkedIn here. So if you haven't just followed me on the LinkedIn, I suggest just start following me out, because I share all the AI tools, automations, outreaching, cold emails, all this stuff and the results on my profile here. Okay, so let me select here next. Basically it is giving me the all the walkthrough of this sections. Next, got it. Yeah, let me close this one. Okay, so now it will just showing me which kind of the content I mainly post or create for my LinkedIn account, whether it's around the cold email mastery or AI plus human intelligence in sales or behind the scenes growth wins. Okay, so which kind of the stuff we want to focus, it has given me the three options. So I will go with the AI plus human intelligence in the sales here, because this is the most I get the engagement here. Okay, now it will just create me the two posts based on the topic I have selected. Okay, and this topic it has got analyzing my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so let me click here on the generating the post ideas, and you will be amazed the results it is going to give you. And this is just the setup I am doing that. Later on you can also change or customize these setup here, so don't worry about it. Okay, so right now it will take around the 15 to 20 seconds more while generating this post variants on the topic I have selected. Okay, so while it is generating, let me show you that on the LinkedIn website here or platform here, you can see I have just also installed this Chrome extension by the Ligo. You can find it on the any browser. I am using the Chrome, so I have able to download on the Chrome extension here. Okay, so after that you can see that if I want to get the inspiration or want to save this post for the later purpose on the Ligo, I can actually do that. Simply right click, and after that you will find out this extra feature on the menu, and here you can see generate comments if you want to generate the comment or you want to add it in the inspiration. So suppose I want to create a customized or the hyper personalized comment for this post, so I will click here, and now you can see opening sidebar and the generating the comments, and yeah, you can see this is the comment I got it here. Okay, so you can see still, okay, it is still generating the comment. Okay, so I thought this is the comment generator, but no worries, it is start processing the comment. Yeah, you can see I got the three variants of the comment. So simply copy any of that, and now if I go to this post here, first let me close this one here, and now if I go to the comments here and simply paste the comment, and now you can read out this is the really personalized comment it has generated for me, and now I can simply post. So that is how it's actually going to help you out in the engaging with the other people post or other profile. Not only that, you can also generate the reply as well. So if I go to the reply here, and if I right click, okay, no worries, if I right click here, you can see generate comment, so it will now generate the reply for this comment as well. So that is actually really good feature, I would find it here. Now let's see the post is generated or not. Yeah, the post is generated. Let me close this one as well. So now this is the first variant of the draft I got. You can see this is draft and this is the variant. This is the first variant I am showing out. So 90% of the sales team fails on the cold emails because they are stuck in 2029 while smart people use in the AI approach. Okay, this is really cool here, and you can see the character. It is around the 1000+ characters, and it has the estimated 30 seconds. So actually the perfect fit in the engagement ratio here. So I can just publish it, and it will be the posted straight out of my LinkedIn profile. You remember while set up the account in the Ligo, I have connected and entered my user profile ID here, and that's why it is showing all this stuff. So this is the variant 1 I have showed you, and it is so damn good. Now let me show you that this is the variant 2, this is the variant 3, this is the variant 4. Okay, so suppose now I want to just publish this variant 4 here. Okay, so firstly let me know this stuff. Yeah, this is actually the 30 seconds read, and everything seems good. If somehow you are finding anything mismatching and you didn't like it, you have to simply click here on the format and edit here. Okay, and now you can format. For example, I can make it this text bold here. Okay, and now I can make it this one italic here. So that's how you can also make it format. And you want to add any attachment like the images or the any kind of the GIF or whatever the attachment, simply click here, and now this will let you add the engagement while posting the LinkedIn stuff here. Okay, then you can also use the AI to enhance this post. So we have the different format like the change the hook, adjust length, change tone, enhance clarity, or the translate. So this is actually the really good options we are getting here straight in the Ligo platform. I don't have to go to the LinkedIn and get to the stuck while reading out others' posts. I am hyper targeted here while generating my post or making it personalized for my LinkedIn audience here. So if I want to preview the post how it look like, simply click here on this one, and now it will give you the your post preview. So you can see actually in the desktop and the mobile variant how this post look like here. So that is actually really good here. So that's how you can use here. So right now, suppose I want to publish this post, simply click here on the publish, enable posting here. Okay, and because I am just okay, I have to connect my LinkedIn account as well to publish here and get this API key. So this is the integration part. You have to integrate your account for the publishing. Although it can show you the post for your profiles, but actually for the posting you have to integrate that. So make sure you do that here. So integrating the LinkedIn account is really easy. You have to either go with the API key or this is the Ligo integration. So that is actually a good part. Now let me go to dashboard, and here we have all the features and the tools Ligo is offering for us. So first one, we have the LinkedIn performance. It is going to give you all the insights for your profile, like the total engagement, the followers, the per post engagement. Okay, this is the post published, all this stuff. If I click here on the view full analytics, this will help you to shape the your planning for your LinkedIn account here. Okay, so that is actually really good. If you want to understand the better performance for your post, you need to read out and understand this stats for your account here. Okay, so this is going to give you all the detailed stuff. Then this is the content calendar here. Okay, this is the usage, no worries. And if I go to the planning and the ideas, if I go to the content themes, okay, yeah, you can see this is the content theme. So if you want to change this content theme, you have to click here on the create your own. Okay, so you can add the topics on that you want to create the new LinkedIn post here. So that's how you can do that. Then we have the post and writing. It will show you all of your drafts, and suppose you want to create a new post, you have to click here on the add your own. So this will just let you know or let you do the manual writing for your LinkedIn account, but we want to create a new post, so we will go to here. Okay, and now after that, if I see here all themes, click here on this one. Okay, let me close this one, and let's see how I can create the new posts. Schedule for later, no worries. Variant 1, variant 2, variant 3. Okay, so I think I need to go to this LinkedIn tool. Yeah, here I can find out the repurpose content here. So in the repurpose, you can see I can just turn the post into the newsletter, blog post, or the meeting transcript. That is actually a good thing here. Then we have also the more options available, like the email thread. Okay, we have the video transcript, research paper. So basically we are going to add the content here that will be turned into the LinkedIn post here. For example, if I have any social media post, I can simply paste it here, and then it will turn that social media post into the LinkedIn post here. I can also do that with the email thread. I can also do that with the any video transcript. You have just published a new video like me on the YouTube, just get the transcript of that video, paste it here, and now it will be turned into the LinkedIn post here. Okay, so that is the extra features you have found it here. Then this is the account management, and this is the analytics and the CRM. Did you know that we can actually fetch the leads out of the LinkedIn profile in the Ligo? Let me show you how you can do that. So if I go to the profile here, and if I scroll down below, you can see the 3 dots. Okay, this is not the 3 dots feature. Okay, let me scroll down below. Suppose this is the, okay, this is the not the person. Let me see, yeah, suppose this one is actually I want to mark it as the lead for my CRM. Okay, so simply 3 dots or right click here, and if I go here, add to the inspiration, I have added that one. And if I click here on the this Ligo extension here, you can see this have all the tools, like this is for the bulk reply, this is for the writing. Okay, this is for the inspiration. I have marked this post as the inspiration. This is for the draft, analytics, Ligo AI. This is the CRM here. Okay, so to use it, I need to update my account. But yeah, once I do that, I will able to add these people on the CRM as the lead here. Okay, so that feature you are actually getting it here as well. So if you want to check it out, all these features, I suggest get at least a tier 2 plan, because here you will get as well all these stuffs that I am showing you right now. In the tier 2 we have the detailed recommendation is not available, but in the tier 2, this tier 2, sorry, this is the tier 1 not available, but in the tier 2 we have the this feature available as well. And if you want to get the all the features access, you can go with this tier 3 here as well. So I just paste the link in the description as well as in the comments. I am also giving out my free bonuses that will help you to grow on the LinkedIn, so I suggest check them out as well. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button, and I am really surprised with this tool and the capabilities here, so make sure you do not miss it out. Okay, it has the huge opportunity for your LinkedIn growth. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.